uBathabile Dlamini owayengungqongqoshe wezenhlalakahle ubesenkantolo namhlanje yemantshi eGoli. Leli cala lihlehlisele umhla ka-1 kuOctober. uBathabile Dlamini usolakala ngamacala ukuthi waqamba amanga kwikhomishana eyayiphenya izinkinga zokukhishwa kwamagranti.
Your matter, ma'am, is remanded provisionally, so until the 1st of October. It is to enable both parties to exchange the contents of the case docket. Therefore, you are accordingly warned to be back here on the 1st of October at 8:30, ma'am, and to remain in attendance until your matter is called and dealt with. Failure to appear has consequences. A warrant of arrest may be authorized against you. You may lose your bail money to the states, unless you can be kept in custody until the matter is finalized, ma'am. Therefore, you are accordingly warned. Thank you.
Ummeli kaBathabile Dlamini uthi lo wayengungqongqoshe usalilungisele leli cala ufuna liphothule maduzane.
That my client is eager to have this matter finalized as soon as possible. So we hope that all the parties will stick to the timetable as the court chooses.
uBathabile Dlamini uthi yena umsulwa akazange aze eqambe amanga kwikhomishana eyayiphethwe yijaji uBernard Ngwebe eyayiphenya ukuhluleka kohulumeni ukunika abantu baseNingizimu Afrika amagranti. Ngisamkele Maseko wezindaba ze SABC eGoli.